Agreed with Jimmy that the family comes up. All of you, mom, the girls, and the boys, all of you come up. Then Jimmy will introduce everyone as everyone gives their little tributes. Karibuni huku mbele. Jimmy, you will come and do as we've agreed. And then everyone does their little piece. We are aware that Dad belonged to you, but he also belonged to the people. So you're going later to share that time with other people.
I want all the family members kindly, grandchildren, thank you very much. I want to take this opportunity to introduce the Wanjigi family that is now left. For our nucleus, this is the first death that we have had, our father at 92. So I want to introduce everybody that you see here with me, starting with our matriarch, our mother, who has been a true rock of our family. She has been a dear rock to our late father. She held his hand, especially the last 1 year, which was a very difficult year. And I can tell you she gave him every care a husband, a father would ever need. Our mother, Mary Wanjigi. They were married for 66 years, and the birth certificate, the marriage certificate reads mom was 19, dad was 28, 9 years difference. Now, next we have Wangeshi in our family, who was our firstborn. You heard me talk about her in the eulogy. Wangeshi is Dr. Awori, who is married to Martin Awori. And they have two lovely children, Dr. Martin Awori, two lovely children. Maria, you can see here, Kesa. And they are also married, Maria to Roro, please come. And Kesa to the lovely Susan, Karibu. That's the first. Then we have, I'm forgetting. Fortunately, before Dad passed on, he was blessed about a month ago with a great-granddaughter. Yeah. Then we have myself. Oh, I'm second. Where's my wife? I'm the second with my dear wife, Irene. I'm sure many of you have seen her. Irene Zisa. And we are blessed with two lovely children, Maina, over there, and Wamboi, our last born. Both still in school. Thank you. Then we have Nancy, our third born, married to Justice Gatembo, over here. And they have two lovely children, Wanjiro, and the tallest in our family, Cairo, right here. Give them a big clap, both still in school. Maina has finished. I said he's still in school, he's finished. No, there's Sunny. Our last born, Emmanuel Sunny Wanjigi, is married to the dear, lovely Sophia over there. One son is here called Modandi, Maina is on his way from the US. He's just graduated. He's on the way. We hope he'll be here before Friday. Please give them a big clap. Now, just a few things I'd like you to note. We were born girl, boy, girl, boy. Our father was a very orderly man, a very disciplined man, and a very loving man. Then, we were all born on a Saturday. All of us. Wangeshi, Jimmy, Nancy, Gadoni, and Sunny, Mbowe Wanjigi, was born on Saturday, Christmas 1965. You see how orderly and blessed we are? See, we were 4. And my father was a great believer in living up to God's word of multiplication. So we had 4. And he kept telling us, why have you all not followed my example? But we tell him, we were 4. Each of us have got 2 children. So we are 8. So we have doubled. We hope our children continue the same way. Asanteni sana. You want to sit? Yeah. Okay. My mother will now start with her tribute.